After using the Homeostatic Systemins product, the tea buds became visibly plumper and the yield significantly increased. When we smelled the leaves, the cinnamon and mint notes were noticeably more pronounced.
Tea pickers were busier than usual this season. After years of declining yields, this was the first time our organic black tea production finally showed signs of recovery.
We've been growing organic black tea near Sun Moon Lake for 20 years now, which means our tea trees are about the same age. Since the typical productive lifespan is around 25 years, these trees are nearing the end of their prime. Our older tea trees had been producing less each year, so this season we turned to Biotech for help. They offered Homeostatic Systemins, a product suitable for organic tea farms. After using it for just 1 quarter, we saw about a 10% increase in yield, a rare result for organic cultivation.
Reviving aging organic tea trees was a success. In the past, we could only use slow-release organic inputs, which weren't responsive enough for urgent needs. That made it hard to meet large orders and often led to shortages. But after using Homeostatic Systemins, a high-efficiency organic input developed by Biotech, we were surprised to see strong regrowth and higher yields in just one season. Even with an unusually cold and wet spring, the tea plants held up well.
There was a cold snap while we were caring for the tea garden. It rained on harvest day, wet and chilly conditions. We thought the results would be disappointing, but the buds still came out aromatic and vigorous, and yield still went up.
Homeostatic Systemins can be diluted 500 times with water and sprayed on the leaves about 7 days after harvest or 3 days after pruning. This helps stabilize the plant's metabolism and improves its resilience to environmental stress. Spraying again when new buds start to emerge can support stronger, healthier growth. We also found that applying it 14 and 7 days before winter pruning helps regulate the plant's physiology and improves its recovery after trimming. Trials clearly showed that shoots treated with Homeostatic Systemins grew faster and stronger than untreated ones during the first 1 to 2 weeks after sprouting. By harvest time, not only did we see more leaves, but they were noticeably greener and more tender. After applying Homeostatic Systemins, the number of leaves per bud increased by 1 or 2 compared to the control group. Those extra leaves help boost next season's yield. Each new bud leads to more branching later, securing future harvests. Homeostatic Systemins didn't just increase our yield, it improved the overall quality of the fresh tea leaves, giving a better foundation for tea processing and flavor development.
Using this product really helped extend the growth tips and strengthen the plants. The leaves grew thicker, which made withering and moisture removal smoother during processing, and we could roll the leaves more tightly. Here's an example of tea made with Homeostatic Systemins. The leaves are darker, tighter, and overall look much better.
Tea made with Homeostatic Systemins brews into a deeper, brighter red. The aroma and flavor are noticeably stronger, quite different from our usual spring tea.
When we smelled it, it had the character of summer tea, clear varietal notes. In this trial, we used an organic cultivar TTES number 18, which has a natural cinnamon and minty profile. These aromas were much more pronounced with Homeostatic Systemins.
Lab analysis confirmed that the polyphenol content in the first 2 leaves rose by 2% to 7% after Homeostatic Systemins spraying, helping bring out sweeter, more fragrant notes during fermentation. The brew was also more vibrant in color. Free amino acids, which give tea its umami and sweet aftertaste, also rose by 25% to 38%. This made the flavor fuller and more appealing.
Using Homeostatic Systemins helped the tea plants regain their strength, making them more resilient against pests and diseases. We've seen clear improvements in both yield and flavor quality. Homeostatic Systemins was developed by Biotech with care and intention. We're committed to quality, both in how we make it and how we support its use. It's our way of contributing to a more sustainable future for farmers, the land, and the broader agricultural economy.
The tea industry, where a single leaf can support many livelihoods, has found new vitality through homeostatic systemins. Sustainable growth for people, land, and the industry itself now feels within reach.